This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending January 14th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is scalping? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.33% on Friday and was up 2% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.4% on Friday and was up 2.67% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.71% on Friday and was up 4.82% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 13 up finishes versus 2 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 finished down, while the Nasdaq finished up. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all the major indexes finished up. New unemployment claims were 205,000. Consumer prices fell 0.1% in December. Inflation rose 6.5% over last year. Gold traded near an 8-month high. Bitcoin jumped above 19,000. And the SEC charged crypto firms Genesis and Gemini with selling unregistered securities. New unemployment claims, consumer prices falling 0.1% in December, inflation rising 6.5% over last year, gold trading near an 8-month high, Bitcoin jumping above $19,000, and the SEC charging crypto firms with selling unregistered securities are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is scalping? Scalping is a style of trading that seeks to profit from several small price movements in stocks or other financial instruments. Scalping involves buying a stock and selling it quickly after a small change in the price. The process can be repeated throughout a trading session. A scalper may buy and sell the same stock several times in a day. The theory is that small price movements are more frequent and supposedly easier to capture than large price movements. Scalpers do not buy and hold, they buy and sell within minutes and often several times in a day. Do you scalp stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you're going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending January 14th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week and for the second week in a row was Riot Blockchain Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT, in the third column. It was down minus 2.11% on Friday, but increased 40.65% for the week. Riot Blockchain is a crypto mining company that primarily focuses on Bitcoin and general blockchain technology. Riot has deployed approximately 8,000 application-specific integrated circuit miners at its cryptocurrency mining facility. Through its subsidiary, TESS Incorporated, the company also seeks to develop a blockchain-based escrow service for wholesale telecom carriers. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Riot has increased 77.58% year to date. I generated cash flow from Riot Blockchain this week, and I have in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System outperformed the S&P 500 index ETF SPY in 2022, and after 2 weeks in 2023, the portfolio is outperforming the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY again. The Southside portfolio is up 15.31% versus 4.2% up for SPY, a difference of 11.11%. The Southside is beating SPY by just over 11%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 4.89% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 5.44%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 2.69%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained 22.94% this past week, but continues to be in a bear market. It is down almost 70% from its all-time high achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on 2 positions this week, 1 call and 1 put. That ranged from $20.35 to $80.35. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website Southside School of Financial Freedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out our past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3, and they are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.